Prevention of the risk of static electricity. In our industrial society, electricity is the most widely used form of energy. Workers are required to use electrical equipment. This implies that any business can be faced with an accident of electrical origin. While the number of electricity-related accidents is steadily decreasing, they are often very serious. The electrical risk includes the risk of contact, direct or not, with a bare live part, the risk of short circuit, and the risk of an electric arc. Its consequences are electrification, electrocution, fire, explosion. The prevention of electrical risk is based, on the one hand, on ensuring the safety of electrical installations and equipment and, on the other hand, on compliance with safety rules when using them or when operating on or near them. Electrical installations. Electrical risk prevention measures are subject to codified regulatory requirements as well as associated standards. Finally, static electricity, even if it does not present a significant physiological risk for people, can be the cause of serious accidents, fires, explosions, falls, etc. General principles on electricity to know. Electricity is a phenomenon directly linked to the structure of matter. It should be remembered that atoms are formed of a nucleus, positive, around which one or more electrons, negative, revolve. Atoms are electrically neutral, that is, they contain as many positive charges as negative charges. Formation of static electricity and dynamic electricity. By rubbing two insulating materials against each other, part of the electrons of one are forced to leave their atoms and accumulate on the surface of the other. Atoms that have given up electrons are positively charged, and those that have accepted are negatively charged. These charges will remain momentarily on the surface of the body for a few seconds to several months depending on the materials and environmental conditions. These electric charges constitute what is called static electricity. The quantity of electricity formed is generally very small. The more a body is conductive, the less it is conducive to such an accumulation of charges. Dynamic electricity is a flow of free electrons flowing in one direction. To create such a flux, it is necessary to use a conductive material connected at its ends to a generator, battery, dynamo, accumulator, alternator.